Okay, let's look at the homework 1.1, 1.2, problem number 5, part A. Right? So we want to make sure that, verify that this function right here, quantity x plus c times cosine of x, is a solution of this given differential equation. Right? So let's do that. So it looks like it's a first degree equation, so we have to find the first derivative. Right? So take the derivative of y, so y prime is going to be equal to, right? So since there are two things multiplied together, so we need to use the product rule to take the derivative, right? So so derivative of the first guy is going to be simply 1 times the second guy is cosine of x. Alright, then the first guy is just a quantity x plus c. Alright, then derivative of cosine of x is a negative sine of x. Alright, so let's clean that up a little bit. So this is just going to be, go here, it's just going to be a cosine of x. Alright, so I'm going to just write it as a negative and x and negative sign, so x sine of x. Alright, then c times negative, so it's a negative c sine of x. Alright, let's look at the left hand side to see if we can get the cosine of x. Right? So left hand side, right, is equal to, right? So we have y prime, which we just found. So I'm going to just copy that. Cosine of x minus x sine of x, right, minus c sine of x. Right, so that's y prime. Right, the next one is y times tangent of x. Right, so y is this guy, so y times tangent of x, so it's going to be so plus, so y is quantity x plus c times cosine of x times, I'm going to multiply by tangent. All right, so but I'm going to write tangent as sine of x over cosine of x, because it's equivalent to tangent, right? So you have a sine of x over cosine of x. All right, then you notice that you have a cosine upstairs and a cosine downstairs, so you can cancel those. All right. All right, then you can see that here we have negative x sine of x, then you have x sine of x, so you can cancel those. All right, x sine of x. All right, and a c sine of x, and you have a negative c sine of x, so you can cancel that. All right, then what's left is going to be simply cosine of x. All right, which is going to be the right hand side. All right, so this verifies that given solution here, this given function is actually a solution of this differential equation. All right, so that checks out. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.